A favorite dish at every family reunion, every church potluck is broccoli salad. Now, broccoli salad is awesome, but I wanted to bring it into this century, so I'm giving it a little bit of heat. I'm putting some tahini in with that yummy mayonnaise, and I'm replacing the typical sugar with some natural honey. Gives it a great sweetness, but also some additional flavors. So come with me and let's try the new broccoli salad. First, I blanch my broccoli for just a minute. You can skip this step if you want and just use the broccoli raw, totally fine. Then I make the sauce with some mayonnaise, some tahini, a little bit of that chili garlic sauce, sambal for some heat, and then honey for sweetness, and give it a really good mix. And then I'm adding in some chopped shallot, currants, raisins, or dried cranberries, pistachios, and then toss in that broccoli. Give it a good stir, and then you guessed it, dig in. This is awesome.